friends, today we are going to do our journal. We are going to predict. Does anyone remember what predict means? It means to guess. So we are going to guess and predict what is inside this pumpkin. And then later in a few days, I'm going to cut it open and I'll show you. And then we can see if our predictions were right or not. So first, let's investigate. What could be inside this pumpkin? Let's see. It's really heavy, so something should be inside of it, right? It's heavy, but when does it sound like anything's in it? It sounds very hollow, but it's heavy. But maybe we can use our prior knowledge about pumpkins, or maybe connect our knowledge about something else to it. So I know when I cut open a pepper, one time there was another pepper inside of it. How crazy is that? So I could predict that another pumpkin is inside this pumpkin. Or also, when I cut open a pepper, I noticed that there were seeds inside of it. So maybe I could predict there's seeds inside of this pumpkin. Let's see. Let's write it down. Today we're going to do our journal over pumpkin. So we're going to say, I predict so-and-so's inside of the pumpkin. I think I'm going to put, I predict another pumpkin's inside of the pumpkin. How crazy is that? Okay. So I have my date here. I'll do my line. Hopefully you guys can see it. I got a thicker marker. So I'm going to draw my picture. My picture is going to be of me. And it's going to be thinking about a pumpkin. I'm going to be thinking. Okay. Here's my think bubble. It's going to be a pumpkin. So I'm thinking about that pumpkin. That's my picture. And what am I going to write? I'm going to write, I predict, so capital I. What's next? Space, I predict. What's next? Space. A baby. A space. Baby. Space. Pumpkin. Space is space inside. Just like when I cut open that bell pepper, there was another smaller pepper inside, so that's what I think is going to happen when we cut open this pumpkin. So what if I can't write my sentence like this? What if I'm not a second grader, not an adult like Miss Carly? What can I do? Can we write it sounding it out? I, space, space, A, space, pumpkin, space is space in. I hear an in. And then what's always at the end? Not a dot, but a period. Good job. Well, what if I can't even write my sentence like that? I can't send them out. I don't know what the letters sound like. What can I do? Can I do a triangle? Of course you can. Triangle. What's in between them? Space. Square. Space. I'm going to do L for my friend Lane. What's next? Space. Maybe I'm going to do E for Elliot. What's next though? Space. And maybe an R for Roman. Space or Raven. And what can I put at the end though? Not a dot, but a period. What if I can't even make shapes? Can I do squiggles? Yes, you can, of course. Squiggle, squiggle. But what's in between them? Space. Squiggle. But what's in between them? Space. What's in between them? Space. And what's at the end? A period. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. Here soon. Oh will cut open the pumpkin maybe tomorrow or on Thursday. So make sure you're watching all these videos, and then we will see if our predictions is right. Bye, friends. See you soon.